Good afternoon and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2015 utility, 45 foot by 102 steel wood. Folks, this beautiful unit under here. As you can see, the beams are in excellent condition. Turbo blasted, primed and repainted. Excellent kingpin plate. As we come back down the passenger side, brand new buyer's toolbox. Sliding tandem, aluminum outer rim, brand new rubber, brand new brakes and drums. This is a sliding tandem air ride suspension. Universal mounting kit. Will carry a Moffett, a Princeton, a Load Mac, and many other brands. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. You can see all of our available trucks, trailers, forklifts available for sale. Brand new straps, aluminum outer rim, brand new rubber, brand new paint on this unit. Folks, give us a call at 260-238-4998. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. Thank you for your time. Give us a call.